Ebushafo na ye checha wo bibiara esanso ema ahwefo etefo adofo ganafo nyina abrochefo nyina ye mamu nyina akwa aba edi eba Attention TV eso your most inspirational YouTube channel. Ebushafo se won se mabetena edwemu sabrea na eyabra metena enframamu edi amami ankasa nkasa me mami ekwia enjua the original host of this program ebra made trending news edi ebro ebushafo mesel se we new to the channel na so nya subscribe ya ahombrase kwanso bon homode na subscribe ne kama emfa ema ebushafo ebra yense wobre ne yenhye ensem na se na yemfa emam ebushafo na yesi form na ya share ensem na se na yedi amamodia na yedi makopie mu ewo funny face yedi makopie mu ewo nakache na o the video bi aba betuju a wakeka nsem bebre ewo video no mu a enya asem keto na ebushafo ebra sa video ebe hit social media no bebre na no wo kasa bebre na no wo comment edi afon. It looks like say this video has become one of the top most talked about video in the country enya asem keto a nyina na say ebra funny face eba live or ye video na or address certain issues binuma ekwo kokoso between ono and the Baby Mama Vanessa. Nyina nim say Vanessa funny face ne kanchema na ono ne wo nso ntawantawa mentem wanse ntokwantok wentwi ba ko mienu bi ananam so ama Vanessa asa nkola ne nyina wode wo mu atukwan anaso wode wo makopie mu wo kumase ememu ebra funny face nso ete enkran pompone emantemu ebra sa se mi betu jo ne pebrebe na no mo kasa ede afasa asme sanse ebinim so se funny face ne ye ne suban ne kasaye ene sebe na adwe na atochima kaka enanam so ama Vanessa asesa nkola na ede edwane ede akọ ebinim so se Vanessa no wonye na open ne bra boni bi abo enti ana wasesa enkola na ede in fact ne pebrebe na no mo kasa ede afasa asme ebinim so se funny face wo se ye de ne ko psychiatric hospital na ekwohwe na adwene mu esanse nyoma bi ha na adwene. In fact yensem bebre ban Vanessa ene funny face o munsem sema yensem bebre na ene no funny face asanso aba life so what the final message ede eko ede ama Vanessa esan se ebra Vanessa esan enkola no ede eko ye no onya akwanya antimi hu enkola no opeso hu enkola na Vanessa ema ne kwa ma ne nko hu enkola no empo so from video ko no opeso ne ma ne ekasa mpo a Vanessa ema ne kwan ema wone enkola ne nkasa nto the message bi eko ede ama Vanessa na wey any message a funny face ede tuja.
Hello, good morning Ghana. Hello, good morning Vanessa. Good morning Ella and Bella. Good morning baby Kimberly. Oh, and your senior sister Asida saying nice. I want to address something, and this is going to be once and for all. Because for 4 good years, Ella and Bella, this video is for you. Baby Kimberly, this video is for you. You grow up, you one day come to understand. I don't know who is behind what your mother is doing, but Vanessa, I don't wish you bad. I wish you well, because when you are successful today, the children automatically are successful. When you go down today, the children automatically goes down. So I wish you well. I have nothing negative against you. I want you to be better. I want you to be successful. I want you to be greater. But there is a great mistake you are doing. And you won't see it now. You see it later. Okay? Never. You see it later. Okay? Why am I addressing this once and for all? I've seen your people, you should show evidence. If you have been sending money, show evidence. Vanessa, I'm grown more than this. You and I know it's true. I can show evidence since I came back from prison. I can show evidence. I'm sending 1,001. 1,001 is nothing to compare with. And I'm in Ghana. 1,001 is nothing at all. But look at the bigger picture here. Is he working? No. I have destroyed his work. Vanessa, say that to yourself. I have destroyed everything he owns. I have destroyed everything he loves except his properties, his lands. Recently, I just acquired 10 plots. I'm about to see funny land. Do you know your percentage in it? You don't even know. But on paper, ask my lawyer. Ask my lawyer. And he will present it at BEM. And when I tell you the percentage you earn from funny land alone, you will shock. I don't owe you anything. But I feel say once I said I need to give you some property. I need to give you something. I need to give you something. At least when say the woman and I no say na mommy. You understand? But you are listening to people and they are motivating you negatively. And you are killing me slowly, emotionally. Vanessa, you are the very same person. Kwekumen better see your interview. Say you want me to come back into your life. You want me to co-parent with you. Ubesin kwalano, and at least they need their father and now kwalano. When I know now, cancer. You even talk. I can say, "And enough friend in there." Can't me Frank kwalano. Malcolm the speed never call. I'm a one's who didn't draw. You see, you are lying. And then another friend, Nana so sending me free sell buy. I'm a hustling. They bid me every month. Be how get 1,001. But they send you. Said you see June 12 June, baby. But send 1,001. Baby, I'm going to be an baby. You don't care. I'm a taking Kofano now. Oh, say instead of you rather Fankolani bomb papa life more. Let me build these children up. Let me funny land. You can imagine what I can do with Ella and Bella and Funnyland and Baby Kimberly and even Asida, your daughter, who I'm adopting. I'm adopting Asida as my daughter too. To me, I have 4 girls. Not many men would do this. So funny fans were worried. Oh, funny, with the one you start Vanessa, that is when automatically you get accident, you get into trouble, you go and do this thing. Funny, I had an accident involving kids. To God be the glory. No child died. I have to go to Cape Coast to go and see the children. In all this, I've seen life from a different angle. I've seen life from a perspective. I mean, say sometimes let me dig deep within myself. Let me search myself, search within my soul. I mean, say most of the faults, they free me. The little one I correct, I cannot. Let me correct it. The moment funny fans me here didn't have Vanessa, something happened. No, nothing happened. That's why I'm doing this video wearing white with my blade chain and your gold. Sorry, I almost say gold chain. Sorry, the gold chain is on the dog. The dog is wearing the gold chain. Yeah, and my cross. Vanessa, the earlier you come to your realization. I don't want to use the word senses. Let's ask my yours. It's in person with you. Honest to be good friends, take care of our children. That's all. That's the most important thing. The children matters. The children matters. Forget the funny face. Forget the Vanessa. It's about Ella and Bella. Baby Kimberly and Asida, the senior one. Okay? Okay? It's peace. I want peace. I don't want war. I'm wearing white. I am an angel. Tell the children to cut it. Oh, yeah. And one more thing, yeah. All the people saying, and why can't you sit in a car and go to Kumasi and see your children and be in a plane and go to your children? Shut up there. Shut up there. What do you know? Shut up. And don't say go to court, do this thing. Of course, you people, you're more than the Nyasa will go to court, use the right channel to get your kids. And the one I don't want, personally, I can't go through that process. I don't want it. So I'm doing my best. On one, Rebecca said, she's matured. She wants Fanny to come into her life, co-parent with their children. So Adam, as they say, say, go to Kumasi and see the children. Was I not on my way to Kumasi with a Porsche Cayenne? And I had a major serious accident that nearly took my life. Can't cross him. The other car born at the can't be here. Vanessa was asked in an interview, was she aware I was coming to Kumasi? She denied. 28 August 2021, had a major accident. Oh, Kumasi, Bosua Junction, Linda Door, just after Linda Door. What you say? Vanessa, I know you don't love me. I know. And I don't want love from you. You know it. I just want to be in the life of my children. End of story. I was saying you love the children, that's why you love the girl, that's why I give me a percentage in your funny land. She's the mother of my children. That's the advantage she gets. If I've been able to stay focused, like the children president of Ghana, stay focused, like the money I'm making it, Kapapa is coming the channel for nothing. At the end of the day, nipa so your day.
Sa pepe anatihana bede ensemenya ebesi ede ama me bede nsemi promo beti ara energy cop net makram.